Public Library of Youngstown in Mahoney County is offering more than just access to reading over the next month. Director Amy Fafaric and Vice President of Akron Children's Paul Olivier now joins me this afternoon to share more. Good afternoon to you both.
Good afternoon.
So this is actually a new partnership for the library, right, Amy?
Yes, it is. We're always looking to help support community institutions get the word out about great new services for our patrons and their clients. And this partnership with Akron Children's is a great example. When we found out about the mobile healthcare vehicle, we were very excited to help host, and we're happy to say we, on the second day out, we hosted at Main Library last week.
Yeah, Paul, tell me a little bit about the mobile unit and what it offers.
Sure. So it's a care mobile. It's donated by Ronald McDonald House Charities, and they've donated these to hospitals across the country for years. And so the local McDonald's restaurant owner-operators have been advocating for this for some time. And so we're delighted that after a lot of planning and effort, we were able to deliver this care mobile. So it's a mobile clinic, 2 rooms. It's staffed by a nurse practitioner, a medical assistant, and RN. And it basically can do everything that a pediatric office can do, taking care of kids from infants to teenagers to young adults. And we were very honored that it was actually the library that reached out to us after we announced this at a Chamber of Commerce event. Michael at the library's administration came up to me and said, hey, maybe we could partner in some way, which was perfect. I think it's a nice symbiotic relationship for us to be hosted by the library where kids and families come.
And just tell us, how is this care unit meeting a need in our area?
Well, there's lots of children that don't get the health care they need at the time that they need it, and there's a variety of reasons for that. There's a lot of barriers. It could be transportation issues, it could be financial issues, it could just be schedules, busy parents, working parents, and so forth, trying to get their kids in balanced work and school and so forth. So this allows us to bring our services to the children at areas that they're familiar with and going to, whether it's at schools or libraries. So it overcomes a lot of barriers in that regard.
That's excellent. And where can we find the unit? I mean, will it be at different library locations every day, or?
Yes, we hosted last week at our main library, and the next library location coming up is on November 26th at our Springfield library down in New Middleton. But I know that there's a full slate of schedules for the vehicle coming up.
Right. We've talked to the county health directors in each of the 3 counties, because the Tri-County area is our beat, if you will.
Yeah.
And so we have a schedule that goes out the next couple of months. You can find it on our website, and we look for different partners where to take the vehicle so that we can get the biggest impact on the community. And the library, like I said, is a great partnership for us to start with.
So if we see the unit, you know, in our area, do we just show up, walk in, or is there anything that we need to bring, or do we schedule online? How does this work?
You can both. You can schedule, you can also just walk in. In fact, when we were at the library the other day, one of our staff was in the library, and she ran into a mom and explained what she was doing, and the mom brought her 2 children to the clinic because they weren't feeling well. So we were able to deliver services right there. So walk-ins are fine, or scheduling online through our website is available as well. And then the different community partners that we have, they'll probably create some systems by which the parents will be notified when the vehicle is going to be there.
That's great. You make it so easy for everyone. Now, should parents bring, you know, their license? What paperwork, or is there any identification that you need to?
Well, we'd appreciate it if they bring whatever they would typically bring to a doctor's office, because it really is a doctor's office just on wheels.
Make it so easy. Tell us that website so we can learn more and also know when to find you in our neighborhood.
Yeah, akronchildrens.org. So the first few months, it's going to be going out Wednesdays and Thursdays.
Okay.
And then as the demand picks up, and we do rely on philanthropy, so as the funding increases, then we'll be able to expand our hours. But we're starting off with Wednesdays and Thursdays.
I love that. And Amy, before I let you go, give us the website for our libraries. We would like to stay up to date on everything that's going on there, especially knowing that it's more than just reading. Health and wellness is a priority for our library as well.
Absolutely. Kids can't learn if they're hungry or unwell. So libraryvisit.org, not only will we be talking about the 2 upcoming visits of the mobile vehicle, but we are collecting food at all the locations across the county. So please bring your canned good items in. All of those items will go to local food banks in the library area.
Paul, Amy, thank you both for joining us this afternoon and sharing what an excellent way to give back. What a great partnership.
Thank you.